Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create product bundles on Shopify. Let's get started. So first, let us know why a product bundle is actually important. So let's search in here on a new tab and let's ask why product bundles is important. Shopify right here. And then once you have searched for that, as you can see, product bundles are used by merchants to group products together and sell them as a single unit. So this is a merchandising strategy that helps merchants to increase average order value, decrease marketing and distribution costs, and reduce inventory base. So doing this will actually make you be able to sell more products while making no effort at all. So you can offer in some discounts on the product that you make a bundle into. So let's head back again to our Shopify, and you can actually make a product bundle by yourself. So you can do so by heading over and clicking on this checkbox on the project. Then click on this one again, and let's just choose the products we want to add. And now I have selected 3, so let's just click on this 3 dots very small. Then scroll down until you can see this add to collection. So let's click on this, and then here you can just make in your collection. So in here, you can make a homepage collection or another collection. So if you try to search for a shirt, you can see that no collection found. So you can only see in here collections that you had. So click on save. Now, as you can see, it has been saved to that specific collection. One thing you can do as well is to head over in here and scroll down until you can see the apps. So click on apps, then searching here for CJ. You can see here the CJ drop shipping, so click on this one. And then using this, just click on install. And then this will ask you for access in order to make itself usable on Shopify. So let's just grant this access right here by installing it. So click on install, and as you can see, it will install on your Shopify. So by installing it in Shopify, you allow it to gather data and other thing right here. So just agree on the store agreement and then just log in, authorize, or you can also just register here. So I don't have an account yet, so let me just register. And then from in here, it will ask me to sign up, and I will have in here everything. So for me, I will just sign up right here, real quick, for a moment. So you just need to enter in here your email as well as the password that you want to use. So for me, I'll add in the password, and you just need to confirm that password. So let me just put that in here. And then in here, make sure that you have click on this thing right here. Make sure also that the password match. And if the password didn't match, then let's just head over and edit that out. Click on next. You can always save that out whenever. So once you have click on confirm, you can also head over and enter in here your user. So you can also log in using your socials right here. So let me just log in using Google. So let me just choose my account. And then in here, as you can see, I have opened this one. So in here, I can actually just add in products if I want. So for me, I'll just choose women's clothing. So you can just choose on that right here. And just try to click on this right here and click on that. So click on women's clothing. And in here, you should be able to see some products that you can add. So for example, let's try to add this product. You can do so by heading over and click on this list right here. And as you can see, it will open a new tab wherein you can see the specific product. So you can head on over and add this to your dropshipping list on your CJ. Now, let me just close this one. And in here, you can just head it over and put in here store selection. So as you can see, our CJ is not yet integrated to our Shopify. So let's head back in here again, and let's head back and put on our CJ dropshipping in here. So let's head to our apps right here, and let's head it over to the apps and sale channels. So we have here CJ dropshipping. So make sure to open the app. And once it's been opened, it will show you this option right here. and you can see what it looks like. So authorize it, click on confirm, and click on authorize again. Once you have done that, as you can see, authorization has been a success. So let's just try to refresh the site. And then once it's been refreshed, as you can see, it is still refreshing. But once it's been refreshed, you should be able to add the specific thing on your actual inventory. You can do so by just heading over and the list right here, or add to my products right here. And then as you can see, there's a loading process. And as you can see, the product has been added successfully. So you can also choose another product that you can choose from. So for me, let's head back and you can choose another product for you. For me, I'll just add this right here to the list. Then this will open the new tab again. And then in here, you can just head on over and then add this when you're drop shipping. So it will open this one. Just click on the store selection and you can have this. Then click on list it now. And first, as you can see, you can have here the store price as well as the vendor, the hat, and everything right here. So you can just choose which one you want to use. So just head it over and fill up every axis and everything right here. So you can also click on variant pricing. You can have here your variants. So for me, I can actually put in here. I click on list one. So there's a lot of variants. So you can just head it over and put everything right here and click on list it now. As you can see, the list is in progress. So once it's been listed, you will now be able to see it on your products on your store. So once it's in your store, you should be able to add this as well on the another inventory that you have. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment down below. I will try my best to answer. Simply leave also a like below and subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.